primetime news this evening. Opposition calls for independent body to review salaries of the political leadership and recommend new increases. Protests continue for the government to roll back salary hike. And Finance Minister says he's prepared to discuss anomalies arising from compensation review with trade unions.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices. But in addition to that, I'll also give an update as to what's happening with the new banknotes. So the details later on in the business day.
Okay, and Jermaine Brown is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thank you, Herman. West Indies player Devon Thomas is preparing for a long battle after being embroiled in corruption charges, including match fixing. We'll have more a bit later on.
Thank you very much, Jermaine. And what's happening with the weather? Romaine Robinson is here to tell us.
Thanks so much, Andrea. Now, the driest 2 days we'll have this week are today and tomorrow. So if there's any washing you're planning on doing, make sure it's done by tomorrow, because we are expecting an increase in showers on Friday and an even greater increase, especially across the east, on Saturday.
Thank you, Romaine. Important information. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what factors would you include in the key performance indicators for government ministers?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.